In the 1850s, Massachusetts granted lots of Boston's Bayback District to various private grantees. Each lot was subject to restrictive covenants as part of a comprehensive land use plan. Were those covenants still enforceable 100 years later? That's the question in Blakeley versus Gorin. A Massachusetts statute declared that no restrictive covenants were enforceable unless they were currently of actual and substantial benefit to the party claiming the right to enforce them. Even a beneficial restriction could only be enforced by money damages under certain conditions. Gerald Blakeley owned 2 lots in the Back Bay, separated by a public alley. One lot was vacant. The Ritz-Carlton Hotel occupied the other. Both were subject to a restriction requiring all abutting landowners to keep the alley open. But Blakeley planned to build a hotel apartment building on his vacant lot to be connected to the Ritz by a 12-story bridge structure over the alley. Harry Gorin owned a lot adjacent to Blakeley's vacant lot that backed onto the same alley. The property housed an 8-story apartment building. Apartments at the building's rear received air and light from windows on the alley. Blakeley sued Gorin in Massachusetts Superior Court, seeking a declaration that the restriction was unenforceable. Gorin argued that Blakeley's bridge would block air and light to his building. Gorin asserted that the statute was unconstitutional because it permitted a taking of his property rights. Evidence at trial showed that a hotel apartment building connected to the Ritz was the most suitable use for the land. Evidence also showed that the neighborhood had changed dramatically over the years, with high-rise buildings replacing single-family homes. The trial court found that the restriction was of actual and substantial benefit to Gorin, and that Blakeley's bridge would violate it. But the trial court ruled that the restriction was obsolete and shouldn't be enforced, and denied Gorin damages. Gorin appealed to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.